If you've ever had a close call on the road and wished you had clear video proof of what actually happened, you're not alone. Many drivers install a dash cam only to realize later that the footage isn't clear enough, the night recording is useless, or the camera simply misses important details. That's exactly why choosing the right 4K dash cam matters. In this video, you'll discover 3 of the best 4K dash cams for cars that capture sharp footage, protect you in case of an accident, and give you peace of mind every time you drive. Stick around until the end because this list truly has something for everyone. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe for more tech and car gear reviews, and check the links in the description to find the best deals on these 4K dash cams. The ROVE R2 4K Dual focuses on what most drivers actually need from a dash cam: clear footage and dependable recording. The front camera captures sharp 4K video while the rear camera records what's happening behind your car, giving you useful front and rear coverage during daily drives. What you'll appreciate most is how clear the footage remains when you review it later. Important details like nearby vehicles, road signs, and license plates are visible enough to be helpful if something unexpected happens on the road. Another practical feature is the built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect your phone and quickly download or view clips without removing the memory card, which makes reviewing footage much easier. And this dash cam is ideal for drivers who want a reliable and easy-to-use setup without complicated features. The rear camera resolution isn't quite as sharp as the front, but the overall performance still makes it a solid value. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam offers a strong balance between recording quality and extra features. The front camera records crisp 4K footage while the rear camera captures what's happening behind your vehicle, giving you reliable coverage on the road. One thing you'll notice right away is how well the camera handles different lighting conditions. Whether you're driving in bright daylight or darker streets at night, the footage stays clear enough to capture important details. A standout feature here is the built-in GPS. When you review your recordings, you'll also see your driving speed and location data attached to the footage, which can be useful during incidents. The wide viewing angle also captures more of the surrounding lanes, reducing blind spots. This dash cam is best for drivers who want more features without paying premium prices. The mobile app could feel a bit smoother, but the camera records reliably. If your priority is the clearest possible footage, the VIOFO A229 Pro easily stands out. It delivers impressive 4K HDR recording that looks noticeably sharper than many other dash cams in this category. When reviewing clips, you'll notice clearer license plates, stronger contrast, and more visible details across the frame. That extra clarity can make a big difference if you ever need reliable video evidence. The HDR technology is especially useful during nighttime driving or when dealing with bright headlights. Instead of overly dark shadows or washed-out highlights, the camera balances lighting much better. Another thing you'll appreciate is the overall reliability. It records smoothly during long drives and feels solidly built. This dash cam is best for drivers who want premium recording quality and dependable performance. It costs more than entry-level options, but the image clarity makes it worth it. When it comes to choosing the right one, each of these dash cams brings something unique to the table. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a fantastic option if you want reliable 4K recording with a simple setup and strong everyday performance. The REDTIGER Dash Cam stands out as the best balance between price and features. And if top-tier image quality is your priority, the VIOFO A229 Pro is easily the premium pick. And remember to check the Amazon links in the description to find the best deals on these dash cams. If you've used any of these models or have a favorite dash cam of your own, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video dropping in a few days.